Good morning, day 5, 75 hard. I was thinking, why do so many people choose voluntarily to do this program? Because 75 hard doesn't cost any money. You can just do it for free. There's all kinds of support groups and stuff. And I believe it's because we thrive in structure. And so many people lead such an unstructured life. And yeah, we have schedules and you have to go to work and there's certain things you have at certain times. But when it comes to reading, when it comes to following a healthy eating plan, when it comes to consistent exercise, most people are so undisciplined that just having some checklist every day where you're like, okay, I have to do these things, it works. And despite the struggle that some people may have, and despite the inconvenience that this program is for some people, we still thrive in it. And it's why we see people drop off so hard too. You know, for every person that forms new habits and sees great results, there's somebody else that does the same thing. And then immediately, as soon as this thing's over, they're off the rails again. And you see them, you know, the next year, like, oh man, I saw great results. I really need to do that again. We need structure, and it doesn't have to be, I don't think 75 hard is extreme, but it doesn't have to be as extreme as 75 hard, but we need structure in our lives. It helps keep us sane in this crazy world. So if you're thinking about taking on any sort of challenge, find some structure in it and follow it and check the boxes off. And don't check them off just to check them off, like do it with intention and with purpose. But again, I believe that that's why this works, and that's why so many people flock to it. Y'all have a great day. I'll see you again soon. All right, day 5 is a wrap. Another pro tip for you on 75 hard. You know, a lot of people eat and drink things late at night because they get the munchies, they're tired, they got a sweet tooth. I fucking love me some chocolate. Obviously, I'm refraining from that during 75 hard, but something I've found that helps is hot tea. Like, find a flavor you like. Bengal spice and mint are my 2 favorite. Lemon ginger is also good. But a hot cup of tea at night, especially in the winter, like right now it's cold, so if you sit down or roam around the house, because I got a toddler, but if you sit and sip and drink it slow and enjoy it, I find it often satisfies the sweet tooth. It fills up your stomach. I know you already drank a gallon of water, but a little more liquid ain't gonna kill you, but it fills you up, makes you feel better, and like mentally you go to bed kind of more satisfied. So there's your 75 hard pro tip of the day. Appreciate y'all. I'll see you tomorrow. Make good choices.